Hi, this is Rick. You've probably seen some unboxing of different equipment before, and after you've seen the unboxing you make your determination, yep, that's a camera for me, after I've seen it unboxed. So that's the purpose of this video. I bought this at Best Buy and I got the price down to $9.99. You can see it right there, $9.99. Reason being is Rockbrook Camera in Omaha is selling the same camera for $9.99, so Best Buy decided to honor the sales price. One thing I didn't tell Best Buy at the time is, even though Rockbrook Camera is selling it for $9.99, they can't get any in. So I was able to use the price on that ad to save $100 on the price. I also bought myself a nice little carrying case for 30 bucks. There's no brand name on it, but it should work fine. And SD card for $24.99. So let's get back to unboxing this. It's got a nice face on it, but we need to go around to the back so we can open it up and look at it. There's a warranty card. It's something will probably never get filled out. Okay, image browser 1.0 HF20. You would thought that maybe this is pretty much the same as the HF G10, that maybe they come out with version 2.0, but nope, they're still at 1.0. There's also some other things in here. In tear-resistant packaging. Okay, that's the version 1.0. And we have video browser version 2.6. So if you don't have anything to browse your videos with, you do now. Okay, register now. Nope, that's not going to happen. Video browser. There's a nice manual too. Most of the manuals that you get are usually found on a CD someplace. This is something you can take in the bedroom and read. That'd be 5 minutes per night for the next year before I get through that. I've got the screen on this side. Okay, there's a lens cover that pops up so you can take video, or down if you just want sound. It's an AC power cord. And the power adapter. It says Canon. Output 8.4 volts, 1.5 amp. Okay. And HDMI cable, so I can hook it directly to my HD TV, and one of the 3 ports that I'm currently using right now. And a remote. Actually, this is one of the features I probably don't use very much on the cameras that I have. An AV cable and a USB cable. Battery for the remote. And battery for the back of the camera. It's one of the things I did check with Best Buy, and the lady helping me out says, "Oh, let's find you another battery because these batteries don't last very long." Well, they don't carry them at Best Buy, so you got to find another source for them. Now, normally I wouldn't know what this was, except that I've watched other videos. May need to stop, the ice cream man's going by. But this is to be able to touch the touch screen and make selections with that. You hook it to the side of the camera. And here's the camera. It's a well-made box. Here's the camera. Nice tight fit. Focus ring is a little bit tight. Nice looking lens. Nice big screen here. Here's the component out. Here's where one of the reasons I bought this is I wanted a headphone jack to be able to monitor what I'm recording. That's the AV out. This is play or record. Change your display. I have 2 slots in here for an SD card. I have an on and off similar to the Canon HFR11 that I'm recording with right now. It's my zoom control. I have stereo microphones on the front. Okay, on this side here I have Auto, M, and Cinema. And I assume that if I want cinema mode, I slide it over to the far right here. This pops out, and there's an adjustment here so that I can actually see it. The side panel over here, and in the side panel I have a connection for a wired remote, HDMI output, and USB connection. And then in order to hook into an external microphone, that's not covered up, it's right here. Now I have some other settings that I haven't looked into. There's a custom button and a scroll right here. Well, let me get it charged up and then we'll see what it looks like.